So today we are going to discuss a chapter that is blood relation. Very, very important chapter for all competitive exam point of view. It may be defense, army, navy and air force. It may be banking, railway or SSC. So blood relation, basically we can divide the questions into three categories. Type 1 is family tree, type 2 is one-to-one relation, and type 3 is symbol based questions. So let us discuss one by one all the three types of questions. Okay, before we discuss the first question, now normally in a family there are 4 generations. Okay, son, daughter, nephew, niece is a generation, and after that comes father, mother, uncle, aunt. This is another generation. Then third generation, it is grandfather, grandmother, both paternal and maternal. Then next generation is great grandfather and great grandmother. Okay, so normally there are 4 generations in a family. Then what should be the approach to solve family tree related question? Okay, so first let us discuss this question and we'll make a complete discussion, and it will clear all your doubts, and also you will learn the approach. The question is 5 persons P, Q, X, Y and Z are sitting in a park. P is the mother of X. P is the mother of X, who is the wife of Z. Y is the brother of P and Q. Y is the brother of P and Q is the husband of P. This is the question. Normally in family tree question you will get the instructions followed by 4 to 5 questions. Now the questions are: how P is related to Z, how Y is related to Q, how X is related to Q, and how Q is related to Z. So these are the instructions followed by 4 questions. Now what should be your approach? To solve these type of questions, you have to draw a family tree. Now let us draw the family tree. So first, Y and Z, 5% P, Q, X, Y, Z are sitting in a park. There are 5%. P is the mother of X. See, X is here. P is the mother, means generation P is generation is above X, because P is the mother. Mother means female. Remember, for female minus symbol and for male put a plus symbol. So here will be the minus symbol. P is the mother. In short, write down P is the mother of X. P is the mother of X. X, who is the wife of Z. X is the wife of Z. Husband and wife, they are in the same generation. X is the wife of Z. That means Z is the husband, Z is the husband, and X is the wife. X is female, Z is male. X, who is the wife of Z. Y is the brother of P. Y is the brother of P. Y. Here Y. Y is the brother. Brother means plus symbol. Brother. Y is the brother of P. Then next. Q is the husband of P. Q is the husband of P. So here Q, P and Q are wife and husband plus symbol. Now all the instructions are over. Family tree is complete. With the help of the family tree, we can answer each and every question. Now question number 1. How P is related to Z? P and Z. Okay, how P is wife's mother. Wife's mother means it is mother-in-law. Mother-in-law. Then how Y is related to Q? How Y is related to Q? Y and Q. This is wife's brother. Wife's brother is brother-in-law. Brother-in-law. Then next, how X is related to Q? X, Q. Wife's daughter. Wife's daughter means the relation is daughter. How Q is related to Z? Q and Z. Wife's father. Wife's father. So the relation is father-in-law. The relation is father-in-law. In this way, you can draw a family tree, and after that you can answer each and every question. Let us discuss blood relation type 2. Type 2. Type 2 is one-to-one relation. One-to-one relation. So before we discuss about one-to-one relation questions, first let us discuss a concept through one questions. Okay, first we'll discuss this question before we discuss another 3 questions on one-to-one type questions. Pointing to a photograph, a man said, he is, here the gender is very important, he or she, you have to point out and you have to be careful. He is the only son of my mother. Here the word he is important. Only word is very important. Only son of my mother. Then how the man is related to the man in the photograph? So pointing to a photograph, a man said, what he said? He, that means the person in the photograph, is the only son, एक ही बेटा है, of my mother, खुद का mother का. He is the only son of my mother. That means what? The mother is having only one son, and the man himself is pointing to his photograph. So here, how the man is related to the man in the photograph? Self. Okay. The answer is self. He is pointing to his own photograph. Okay. So, in about 90% questions on blood relation, the only word is common. You will get lot of only words. Now let us discuss questions, one-to-one questions. Question number 1, introducing Sunita. Amar Singh. Okay? She is the wife of my mother's only son. How Sunita is related to Amar? See here, there are two persons are there. One is Sunita, another is Amar. So who is saying? Introducing Sunita, Amar Singh. Amar Singh. C. Now here write down the name instead of C. C means Sunita. C. Sunita is wife of my. Who is my? My means Amar. Sunita and Amar. Mother's only son. See now, Amar. Now let us move to the word only. Amar, mother's only son. Amar's mother's only son means what? Amar. So here the whole meaning is Amar. My mother's, Amar mother's only son means Amar. Now let us see. See here we are getting the answer. Sunita is the wife of Amar. Simply you have to write down the names and you have to define the sentence where only is there. Okay? Two things. Just write down the names and move towards the sentence where only is there. Okay? So how Sunita is related to Amar? Sunita is the wife of Amar. You get the answer. The next question. Pointing to Sudha, Ranjan said, who said? Ranjan Singh. Her mother's, who is her? Her means what? Her means Sudha. Her mother's only daughter. See here the word only is there, will come. Is my mother. Who is my? My means, here who is saying? Amar. Ranjan. So, write down Ranjan. Now, Sudha, mother's only daughter. The meaning is Sudha. Sudha's mother's only daughter is Sudha. So here, up to here the meaning is Sudha. Now let us read. Sudha is Ranjan's mother. Sudha is Ranjan's mother. So the question, how Ranjan is related to Sudha? Sudha is Ranjan's mother. Ranjan is the son of Sudha. So here simply write down the names and move towards the only word. You'll get the answer. Next. Question number 3. Introducing a man to her husband. A woman said, here the woman is saying. Woman said, his brother, his means man's brother. Here it is, his means man. Introducing a man to her husband. A woman said, his means man. Man's brother father is the only son of my. My means woman. Is the only son of my grandfather. How the woman is related to this man. Now let us discuss. A woman said man's brother father. See here, man, the meaning of man's brother father and man's father is same. The woman said the man's, so here you can eliminate brother. You can say man father is the only son of woman grandfather. Okay, only son of woman, grandfather. The only son of your grandfather is your father. So here we can say is the only son of woman grandfather means woman's father. So now man father is woman's father. Man's father is woman's father. That means what? They are siblings. They are brother and sister. So how the woman is related to this man? Woman is the sister. Woman is the sister of the man. Okay, now we'll discuss questions of type 3, that is symbol based questions. So in symbol based questions, first you will get the instructions and after that you will get questions. So let us first look at the instructions. P star Q means P is the father of Q. P has Q means P is the sister of Q. P plus means brother. Minus means mother. P slash means son. P equal to means daughter. Okay. So each symbol represents a relation between the first person. Here the first person is P and the second person is Q. So each symbol represents a relation. First we have to understand the relation, then only we can solve the question. Now let us solve this question number 1. Which of the following means Y is the mother of X and Z? Y is the mother of X and Z. Means Y is the mother and X and Z are siblings. Now let us try from option. Okay, here Y. Option A, X plus Y. Plus means what? Plus means mother. Here X is the brother of Y. So Y cannot be the father. So here option A is not the answer. Now let us check option B. Y is minus means mother. Y is the mother of X. So up to here it is okay. Now what is the relation between X and Z? Slash means son. X is the son of Z. Now X and Z has to be siblings. So this is also not the answer. Then next option C. Y is minus means mother. Y is the mother of X. And X plus Z. Plus means what? Brother. So Z is the brother of X. Now here Y is the mother of X and Z. It is very clear. So answer is option C. Option C is the answer. Okay, now next question. Which of the following means X is the grandmother of Z? X is the grandmother of Z. Now let us check. Option A, Z plus X. Plus means brother. So this cannot be the answer. Z has X. Has means sister. Z is the sister of X. This is also not the answer. Now option C, Z equal to X equal to means daughter. Z is the daughter of X. So A, B and C is the not the answer. Then obviously D is the answer. Now let us check whether it is right or wrong. Here X is the mother of Y and Y is the mother of Z. So here it is very clear. X is the grandmother of Z. Now let us move to the next question. Which of the following means Z is the father of two children? Z is the father of two children. Z Z is the sister of Y. Option A, Z is the sister of Y. So this cannot be the answer. Next, option B, Z star means father. Z is the father of Y. Y is the sister of X. So here it is very clear that Z is father of two children. Option B is the answer. Next question. If Z is the father of X and X is the mother of Y. Z is the father of X is the mother of Y is given. Which of the following is true? Then Z is maternal uncle, it is wrong. Z is grandfather of Y, it is correct. Because Z is the father of X and X is the mother of Y. So obviously this Z is the grandfather of Y. Then next question, last question. Which of the following means X is the grandfather of Y? X is the grandfather of Y. Let us check from the option. Option 1, X is the father of Z, Z is the father of Y. So from option A is the right answer. It is very clear that X is the grandfather of Y.